Welcome to Skyview. I'm Wes Smuts with McGrath Estate Agents, and today we're looking at Unit 10, a 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom unit in this fantastic building on the Rockhampton riverfront. With only 2 units per floor, privacy is a great added bonus. And look at this view. Enjoy entertaining family and friends and the easy lifestyle that this light-filled apartment life has to offer. If you can see yourself waking up to this view every day and want to take advantage of the Rockhampton riverfront lifestyle, get in touch with me, Wes Smuts from McGrath Estate Agents.